This week on Nation's Business, we highlight the devastation brought by Cyclone Winston on the island of Ovalau in the Lomaiviti Group, Fiji's old capital.
For the damage that has been inflicted by Tropical Cyclone Winston to Ovalau has been quite extensive. In fact, there were about 300 plus houses that were destroyed and also 400 plus houses that were actually damaged. So overall for Ovalau there were almost 800 houses that were affected, and it actually affects all the 26 villages in Ovalau and also the settlements within Ovalau.
After touring areas badly scarred by Tropical Cyclone Winston, the Prime Minister visited Ovalau to assess the damages sustained by communities around the island. On this trip, the Prime Minister Voreqe Bainimarama was accompanied by the Commissioner Eastern Luke Morivalu, Minister for Health Honorable Chone Usamate, Minister for Youth and Sports the Honorable Laisenia Tutumbou. Leaving Natovi for Levuka town, the entourage left with some people of Ovalau going to visit their loved ones in the village. As we approached the island, we only saw flashlights since there was a power blackout all throughout Ovalau. The team arrived on the island after 8 p.m. and headed straight to the village of Tokou, where the Honorable Prime Minister distributed food ration, water, cooking utensils and solar lights for the villagers. Everywhere, many essential services were disrupted, but for the people of Tokou, the visit by the Prime Minister has lifted spirits. Meetings with communities were conducted like this. In Tokou, there are 475 villages and more than 34 houses which were totally destroyed as the result of Super Cyclone Winston. Right now, 13 families are still living in the village hall, which has become an evacuation center. Medical supplies na levo ni wale bata dani tulsul bukan tuan wale ya bata dani bukan tuan satsinga sa sinyang mena tawani chigo molum mena wai wat din khai engai evita taler to chigo sa sinren rato somai sarto kan nandala ngai daki pone asa ngai chigo tale kin evita ni evacuation centers ko to chiga sar boli to ga chini na mata bubai ko chigo ida kya na evacuation centers chini mena evacuation center ya indo era vida mata bubai soal matu wale koranga ser chigine vitu so e basabul ka vitu na ngone basabul ka diwa na ngona lai sare walu batigina ngone papala lai rua batigerna loki rua chiku sona matu wale bogna ka itu ko bitu mai na तो बात है कि मुझे बिकर है बिकर तो मैं तो ठीक हो गई तुमने तो बात है कि मुझे ये मैं सिंह तो कि मुझे ना का तुम सब और नहीं तूने नंबर की कि मुझे बिकर है दिन नंबर की दिन रे कि बंदर बोले मैं तो कि मत तो बात है मत तू ठीक मोड़ में. From Tokou, the team headed straight to the Provincial Administrator's office in Levuka, where the Honorable Prime Minister was briefed on the current situation of the rehabilitation process in the island of Motoriki, Ovalau and the nearby islands like Makungai and Naingani.
How many schools have you been to? So in the meantime, only
Two schools have started have commenced. Levuka Public Secondary School and 40 students that are currently in St. George College, Form 6 and Form 7 students. Education is planned to commence on the 7th of March, subject to the provision of temporary learning spaces to our schools that are badly damaged. I believe in Category 1 we have the most number of schools that are badly damaged. Yes, in schools in Category 1 we need temporary classrooms or temporary learning space. And the biggest primary school that's around the islands, Levuka Public Primary School, I believe it's an evacuation center in Munchi for Central North Bar. They have evacuated at the Levuka Public Primary School, which we are currently working on for them to move out so that school.
Do you have any construction firms here? Construction firms. You guys are combined to provide. Sure.
The Prime Minister never wasted time as he continued to visit and meet with the people and community on the island of Ovalau. We started the inspection tour at Wailailai, a settlement up on the hill of Wangandavi, and went around the island to get a feel of what people were going through after the devastation left by Cyclone Winston.
Kakang sarang ulimai, kan dibuat ke bani Red Cross sarang ulimai. Barang asa kim kita kan benar ko ngar sarang biat turun rabal sarang iwa kumputan ang benar rival kita kan merli coba buling aku.
Kamu tahu kalau sini dah?
Kalau sini bandar nawal.
Bandar nawal. Satu orang kasih bul lawan tengok bul tali kita. Mana?
Morning.
Kito sa reta nakakana sa may reta chiko ni nakakana ni Sulyamay na rota nga etolo na bula. Na tolo na bula ya. Kito sa ker chika ini. Vekim ni Ratu Prime Minister. Ke raw madaso ni Teni Kumala. Merao ni Tosta Lekina. Nakasana uchian na tolo na bula.
Wasu juga na sasangat juga na matin tu meron wasu kay kindalistal na watangin na hindi ng bulan datu kindilu. Mana siya duri kita kinabi wala vale. Lawan na libo na wai na wani sala. Nambera to bola ising nimbera matani rembera ndo kata kana linga ni bimerawi. Bara ani bau tu kun rambai lebu na wadada. Siapa wadada lebu sana.
Kim sabab na bali na lun tigo le ni bo kim nanum tumay mer may scoop kim tunali lun ni matentu ni lebong na ngona kim do redi ko tunga na yalo sena piapa ko ngona kim sabab na ni kim mer redi ko sa matadot sa pa kam na tal tuan lun ni koro na bugo ni bisi ko yato chuni tulo mun chigo na simula ni kuha
ay naka full money
In the village of Waitobu, 6 houses were totally destroyed, with another 31 house roofs blown away.
juga masuk na yang lampak. May kuri juga ni kakak na sa ako Chimay. Ito siguro notal juga may melore sa na bitang notal ito kami na maramang. Kami na turangan ni pinakatun may pwede tek may biyaw. Yung juga na walaw.
Kami kami bagay si komite may na turangan na Prime Minister na bunil lang sa may terreno nito. Ini wala sa may kami bago na tunga po na tulong ni Baro para ng bula. Sindakan ni walang kahit tarawal ng bula. Kami bago na tunga po na tulong.
He also urged the community to be prepared and adhere to the advice given by the National Disaster Management Office on adverse weather situations.
Oklahoma bersih orang bau tanah koko ni tanggo. Wah, orang nama juga nama tangkang garau ni ciko. Turi juga nabi dia ciri kali metal na tangi banggo. Sini danu itan ni sini banggo. Ciri tal na tangi lampu banggo sebuah juga nampak banggo na tarikan nama ina masih bika. Tangkang garau ni juga nak kina. Na boron ni tangi tu sul memang na berkon tapan ni tangi.
Na ita dengan kita sangkarabat sih kita sahabat lo kota gitu nabi boleh rasa. Mereka suka kita lebih benar benar rapat kota gitu kina. Mereka tahu ni tahu non rabi boleh balik. Kata kita nabi kangen rabi cuk sama wasi cuk kita ni cimin doang ni cimin ni tartarabat kita ni cimin ni sesama.
The damage that has been inflicted by tropical cyclone Winston Ovalau has sort of affected the whole communities, and not only PEFCO but also the other areas of operation. And especially for the dwellings of the people in Ovalau, that like Koro and other islands in the Lomaiviti group, they will have to rebuild again. They will have to reconstruct again and rehabilitate themselves in terms of the damage that has been done by tropical cyclone Winston.
Here in Turkey Village, after the cyclone, 28 families were billeted at 2 evacuation centers and about 150 villagers were billeted at the Ratu Seru Memorial School.
During the night of cyclone, my family was there with me, and it was a tragic moment for all of us. The roof of my cottage blew off and we hardly have any shelter. We were so terrified on that night. This is my first posting and my third year of teaching here at Ratu Seru, and this is the first time that I have experienced such a tragic monster cyclone. The only thing that was coming to our mind was that how are we going to survive? Our survival was the main thing that was coming to our mind. We are really thankful that our Prime Minister has visited us here and giving us so much help, all the aids and everything that he has done for us. It's very thankful.
Right now we're moving into transition, into early recovery and also rehabilitation. It is back to normal in Ovalau. We have a couple of our Royal Republic of Fiji Military Forces engineers who are still there helping out with the work, and together with the government officials on the ground.
Jangan rebut tuna. Yang nunggu sangan rebut satu dengan nabi wabalitek. Minta nak kaya itu tu meroni rokin nang pulau.
Kira ni kima kupapa ni pada berli belum kupal. Kira silbi kau ni yang tu boleh ada kira kima mu. Hotel mana boleh kau cukup tikila. Boleh nak boleh tu dia bangun tak. Sekira sekali tu rapat habis. Oh ya, nak boleh kenapa? Laku cingamba, namun dengan tahu kita mampu masuk ke tahu melutok sa laku mana di kor-kor, laku mana di, oh kelam nasi bu, minta nak kani bila kata boleh nunggu, Kala ko may nakakana na way. Sabi na kasi nung uno mo, napalala. Sabi na kasi na limatay. Ba sa wasto kinagurtong terpanipis may sumo lang may keren ba din? Gol mo alam. Ato nga may ikoyak. Winston ko. Ya, tapos na lagyan. Buto na rin okay.
Koro ros ngabul kawalu na wale bada tani bandu kena tini koro na wale bada tani kota ta kuna ndokani wale kena tambe tan lo muni koro na waloka roktani no wolo ke tambe tan tu lo muni koro evi mata kasarani to lo muni koro Pasalo we tukuna niko we tukuna mendangkaran anak kalau merenkun kau tanan dawal megun kau telan dampul.
Don't go away as we bring you more as the Prime Minister visits villages in Ovalau. As the Prime Minister continues his tour around Ovalau, the team couldn't help but notice the fact that Winston did not spare any school or village.
Prime Minister For Ovalau alone, more than 400 homes were totally destroyed, and the numbers are expected to rise after the detailed assessment is completed.
Matin tunggu reda ni total na kau may nani melang kana le bulo wakin na lang na ron na korni bul. Kala ni bimbi churon ro bulang wani. Ko begitu micikina ko babi na ko water premise ni. Agara may kordo na kurbuli lele ba ko na sini.
Here in Nawowo, everything was destroyed from homes to livelihoods, and even a life was taken away.
Non sanggup menerus betul apa ini? Saat lima tinggal apa? Nah, lima tinggal yang ronro, awas tinggal lima. Non sanggup nak non salangan di bawah kau tuku. Dos kacau mana telin gaya sampai tuku telang lagi menerus kuat telin boleh ya. Uba bina tahu kalau menayang lo. Nayalo ni matay na ni bidingom bikitu ni polis lesi. Kini karuan nayalo ni bosota cuma kina pambalam. Nalini bunwa na bikato ko sa may atong ng tabungo.
The head of government also went further to pay tribute to Selai Wanga, a 72-year-old mother who was buried under the church for almost 2 hours, and later visit a 102-year-old lady who survived the ferocity of Cyclone Winston.
Subul sing gitu silendolan ra urusang bulo ni ko. Kina ta ken matan ka subul kondo sing. Satu sumun ko itu dilen ko rum kita sandolan ra ujil kati. Nalo meni bidi dikya, bidi jigi nandana kena mara mambakin dolan ro korua. Ke ko ngoni tondu sing mato tu lendelin dulu. Wa bini bina bali bu. Lo meni bidi dikya ado tal chinge ken bitongo makin na kaluli.
Nimbola. Ada dalam ni. Bebe mau.
Mila keren gori.
Mila keren. Sabi ni tunod yung bagay, doon raw kami na, doon raw karwa.
Iya.
Doon raw karwa. Ni kundre. Ako lang kami nilasu, kami singa pag-arusaw mo ka.
Naman sa mga balikin na ba, lucha sa katilang mundo no kimibiki, nakitong ka di ba matawal na kalbor. Ito ko lo masati usin na minaway. Sa tutor na nungkong ni bitel o saka tungal tala mandita kitong di ba ka namun sa ko du siya rin. Kitong galinta ba lumun mun sali. Mbul ni tangilang ba kitong tanda to mun sali. Kalau mati ni singdo na lang.
Especially for the local people, and also we have encouraged right down to the communities for the villages and settlements, and this will also allow if they have to rebuild on a theme called the Build Back Better, the Build Back Safer, or Build Back Stronger, knowing that in terms of our preparation, this type of tropical cyclone, Cat 5 degree, will also happen again in future, and we should be prepared for that.